As soon as school was over, we ran home, full of excitement. Because today was special. We were going to the village by train. When we reached home, everything felt different. Mum was packing food, puri and potato curry in steel boxes. Dad was checking the tickets and getting the bags ready. At the station, it felt like a new world. The noise of the platform, the tea seller calling, and the train horn, everything felt magical. My siblings and I fought for the window seat. But when the train started moving, we forgot everything and felt so happy. We looked outside. Green fields, rivers, and small stations passing by. We wished this journey would never end. At night, the soft sound of the train made us fall asleep. It felt calm and peaceful. In the morning, we opened our eyes, and we were in the village. Our grandparents were there, waiting for us with smiles. That train journey was not just travel. It was one of the most beautiful memories of our childhood.